Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Rose Panty Power RWPP. Let's get into this and I will show you what is in the July box. Rose Panty Power is $37.50 per month. That includes priority shipping. We will have panties, period products, and lifestyle products in here. I will explain it all to you as we go along. Oh, and snacks. Let's not forget the snacks. So let me show you what we've got. This is what it looks like on the inside. So pretty. She has the prettiest box, and the inside, the paper is so pretty and always packed up so beautifully. This box is sent to me free for review, but you will always get my honest review. And this pretty box, by the way, comes inside a priority bag. So if you are like me and you like to find fun things to do with the boxes that you get all of your products in, this is a good one for that because it comes protected. Time to gloss up. And let me tell you that it says, welcome to July, 6 ounce full of happiness. 6 ounce? I think it says 6 ounce full of happiness. I don't know what that means, but I bet we will before we're done. On the inside, she tells us everything we've gotten. We all get the 15 organic period products, 2 pair of underwear. Did I mention the underwear? I don't know that I did, and I feel like that's really important. 3 to 4 thoughtfully chosen lifestyle products. She says gifts, but I want you guys to know that there are lifestyle products. And we usually get a couple of good wipes, and I'll show you those too. And there are variations because these are all the products that she's using this month, and she checks which ones you received. Okay, right on top, I'm just gonna dig right in because I see the snackies and they are just sitting on top looking delicious. So we received the Nature Valley biscuits with almond butter, and that is what they look like. 2 of the Cookie Das. I want to say that bottom word another way, but I feel like it could go seriously amok, so we received 2 of these. Oh my goodness, guys. And then the White Heim White Hazelnut. These, I haven't had these yet. They feel on the inside like they're gonna be like Purine cookies. If you know what Purines are, that's exactly what those feel like. We also have a Mott's Fruit Flavored Snacks Assorted Fruits. I was just reaching down for our period products, and we also have 2 little hard candies. So we got a lot of snacky treats this month. Reaching for our period products, we have 15 products. We usually have 6 pads in assorted sizes and 9 tampons. If you want all tampons or all pads, you can let them know. If you prefer not to have period products because you don't need those in your life for whatever reason, you can let them know that also, and you will receive another lifestyle product instead. But she sends all organic products, which I think is fantastic. But we have a sticker on the front. 4th of July, Independence Day, and balloons. Those are so cute. My girls will love that. We have our 2 Year of a Genius wipes to help with cleansing. And then we have our underwear. Let's dig into the underwear. You will receive 2 pair of panties each month. She does sizes small to 3X, and you can get thongs or regular panties. She sends a combination. Sometimes, I used to always get a thong and a panty, but the last couple, I have not received thongs, but I did this month, so it's very pretty. You ready? Okay, I'm ready. That is what it looks like. Look, it's pretty yellow flowers. And it's the kind, it's that fabric that is like the vanishing edge. So it would be perfect for not being seen under pants. Those are very pretty. And my other pair is a full brief, and when I took it out, I checked it out. Look, it has a pretty butterfly on it. When I took it out, I checked it out because it feels very stretchy, and it's 10% spandex. So you're gonna get some tummy control with that. So I got one that's a thong for when you need 0 tummy control, and I have another that is a brief with tummy control. So both in my size, that is awesome. And those have a value individually of $8 to $25. Okay. Into the lifestyle products. We have the Skin Chemist's Advanced Extreme Charcoal Teeth Whitening Gel. That is fun and different. It says it whitens, cleans, and brightens. Charcoal gel, and it is 50 ml, 1.69 fluid ounces. I'm intrigued. Are you intrigued? I've never tried one of these. Comes in a pump. That is so different. I love that. It is fluoride free and has activated charcoal in it. It says you can use it twice a day, but that it is not a replacement for toothpaste. Interesting. It's very wet. Hear how wet it is? That is what it looks like. Interesting. Oh, it smells very, very minty. Very minty. That is cool. That is a very different product, and I like that a lot. When I just smooth it out on my hand. Oh, it's so pepperminty and nice. You know, I won't use baking soda products because they're just so salty, and that almost makes me afraid of trying any new tooth things, but I'm gonna give that a shot. Next, we have the WM. It's a Dr. Botanicals, and it always tells us in the name WM, so this is gonna be watermelon. It is the Watermelon Superfood 2-in-1 Cleanser and Makeup Remover. Excellent. I will absolutely give this a try. Let's see how watermelony it is. Oh my gosh, guys, I just went to look at the value of this, which, by the way, is $9, and I looked down to see about this Skin Chemist. I didn't give this enough. Hold on. We need to take this more seriously. This has a I just wasted like $4 worth probably on my hand. This has a $49 value. It is 1.69 fluid ounces. Wow. It must work really, really well. Well, we'll see. We'll see what it does for me. I tend to have yellow teeth. I am a twice-a-day brusher. I use whiteners. I do everything. I'm just one of those people whose teeth tends to be yellow, so it's very disappointing. Watermelony. Uh-oh, that smells like grapefruit. Watermelony, not too watermelony. No, nobody panic. I smell grapefruit, but I don't see it on the ingredients. So I will probably, wow, that smells like grapefruit. I'm gonna wipe that off. Those are very little words, so I'm gonna go ahead and get on the website and make sure, because it has a very citrusy smell. It does not smell like watermelon to me. It smells like citrus. And the citrus has that bitter tone that grapefruit usually has, so I'm gonna look more into this, but if it doesn't, and I don't think it does, if it doesn't have grapefruit in it, I'm gonna give it a shot. Okay, next out of the box, I have, I got one of these, it was last month, a couple months ago. It was a completely different flavor. I love it. You could send me a soap every single month. I love, and I think I said this last time I opened it too, I love hand done soaps. Soaps that aren't like, you know, Zest, Ivory, run-of-the-mill, even Dr. Bronner's run-of-the-mill soaps. I love hand-done soaps. And this one has the little nubblies on it. It is hemp and honey bar, raw honey and hemp butter. And it has a $15 value, and it came with a soap saver. So you can put it in this and it helps it stay dry. I have in the past, if you use this and get it really wet, you don't even have to take the soap out. You can clean with this. I'm just saying, that is awesome. We got a lot. We have yet another one. So we got 4 products this month. This one is the Rachel Maid, yes, Rachel Maid Balance Clary Sage and Lemongrass Moisturizing Balm. And that is what that looks like. That smells good. It smells like clary sage and lemongrass. I am very aware of those scents because I do diffuse oils, and I use both of those oils when I diffuse. That's very nice. Oh yeah, it just feels, in the winter, this is gonna be fantastic. It's very firm, but it melts to like an oil. Can you see on this finger how it melts to like an oil? Oh, that feels good. This is gonna be perfect for like those dry patches, like your elbows or your feet in the winter. It will be awesome. I mean, I'm sure there are people that care for their feet even in the summer, and I don't seem to do that. But if you do, perfect. All right, so that is what we got in this month's Rose War Panty Power. Again, it is $37.50, and that includes priority shipping. And each month you receive your period products that are organic, 15, 6 pads, 9 tampons, but you can change that if you need to. You receive your underwear, you let them know what size, and if you have any underwear preferences, like please don't send me thongs. We have our 2 Eurovigenius cleansing wipes. All of our snacks. We got so many snacks this month. Oh my goodness. This was an awesome snack month. And then for our lifestyle products, we got this nice clary sage and lemongrass moisturizer that you can feel free to start using now. You don't have to wait till winter. I will tell you, I don't know if you can tell, I am not at all oily. It absolutely absorbed. Okay, even I might try it on my feet now. This awesome honey and hemp bar and soap saver, the watermelon cleanser, And this, and I feel like it needs trumpets and banners. Dun, 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 dun. This Skin Chemist tooth whitening, $49 value. So this alone more than covers the cost of your box. All right, thank you so much for coming by to watch. Let me know what you think of this. I think that this is like the cutest little box. I think it's one of those boxes that kind of stays under the radar. You get the lifestyle products, you get the very useful products, you get underwear, which is so useful. There's so many boxes we get, there's at least something in there that I'm like, This comes full of things that you use and you use instantly. You don't set on a shelf and wait until you need your next fill in the blank. You wash up those undies and you throw them in a drawer, and then in a few days you're like, these are cute. You know what I'm saying. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. I hope you have a fantastic day, and I can't wait to see you guys again. Bye.